Hi guys, today is the lesson number 2 for Travis Brandsology. It's about after pandemic, how to analyze your business, right? So, new business models from Travis, right? See, it's like this. I've been watching online especially, but I haven't seen people giving solutions. People giving you solutions as to what they should do right now and after the pandemic. So I thought I have coined 4 models for you. I will explain to you in briefly so that you can use it. So what my main objective is to give you something really valuable when you start business for you to analyze your business further. Workforce, your brand, your collections, what are the solutions that you can take while you are having discussions via Zoom or via Microsoft Teams. Please analyze your business. I will give you some simple models, right? So my first model is Travis brands versus credit grid. Okay, let me erase this. Let me erase this view, and I will quickly analyze and show you what is this model is about. Okay, here we go. The first one, right? The first one is, it goes like this, right? You have 4 sets. You have 4 sets. Here is market share, and on the other side you have market credit. This is a new grid invented by me. So you have market share, you have market credit. You have here market share high and you have market share low. Here you have market credit high and you have market credit low. So let's see what each quadrant will have as a meaning. Market share high, your market credit is high, right? Market share is high, market credit is also high, right? That brand is basically in ICU, intensive care unit. At no point your brand market share is high if your credit is also high. That brand has to take to the surgery very quickly. Market share high, market credit is low. This is brand on cash generation. Now, SMEs, entrepreneurs or people who are running business, this is where you have to be. Your market share is high, your market credit is low, meaning you are commanding a very, very healthy position. Market share is low, market credit is high. So what is the brand level? Brand in danger. How come? Credit, you have given credit in a very high note, but your share is low, so it's very difficult to collect. Then you have, finally, market share is low, credit is low. This is your brand is on the death row. Your brand is dying because your market credit is low, market share is low. So this is a complete grid for you to analyze where your brand is right now. Many people call and ask from me, my business is stuck. I don't know what to do after the pandemic. There's credit is happening, there's credit being given, checks are not coming through, right? There are big brands, what can I do? Use this. Travis brand versus credit grid. Brand in ICU, brand on cash generation. This is where you should be. This is ideal situation for you, right? Brand in danger, you have to do recovery very quickly. This is brand is on the death row. So you might lose some brands, you might win some brands, right? Okay, this is model number 1. Model number 2, I'm going to show you with regards to credit period. People have an issue with regards to the credit period. Now this is a bit of a long grid. So let me take you to the longer board where you have 1, 2, 3 sides. You have 1, 2 and 3, and on this side 1, 2, 3 you have another sets of squares. Okay, so let's see what are these. So on this side is the category development. Category development. How you have developed the category before the pandemic. On this side, right, you have the credit or the cash or the credit type. This is the credit type. Credit type. Okay, let's see what goes in. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. The first one. This is called bill to bill. Bill to bill. I give you goods on bill and you keep it. Right? You don't pay me. When I come next time, I collect the last bill and I put another stuff of goods for you and I will take that bill. That is called bill to bill. And here, right, you have checks. You will have 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. And this is cash. Okay? So your category development will have extensive category development. You have grown the brand extensively. You have grown the category extensively. You have grown the category average. And you have a low category growth. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen. Okay? You have bill to bill, category growth extensive, right? Bill to bill, category growth extensive. So you can collect your credit on bill to bill, right, after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks you can collect. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days checks, category growth extensive, right? They might need another 1 month. They might need another 1 month to pay you, to get your money back, because you have grown it extensively but you are on credit again on checks 30 days, 60 days and 90 days. They might need about 1 month soon after the recovery. Extensive, you are on cash, right? Extensive and you have to collect cash, right? Fast action on collection. So you can collect some cash very quickly. You are growing, you have grown your category average, right? Spending less amount of money for advertising and below the line and above the line or whatever, average, but you're on bill to bill, right? You need about 5 weeks to collect your bill to bill for them to realize that they have to pay you, but you can collect it by 5 weeks. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days checks position, but average category growth, you need about 2 to 3 months, right? Extensions. They might ask you, give me another 2 to 3 months extension. So you are basically in a trouble case. Cash, average growth on the category, you can regularize your collection. So that's good. Quickly regularize collection, otherwise you are in trouble, otherwise they'll go here, right? Now let's see the other category. Low category growth on bill to bill. They might need 2 months to recover. They might need 2 months to recover. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days checks, low category growth, very, very doubtful of collection, right? Low category growth, cash about to come, you can collect on a period. You can collect it on a certain period. just very periodical base. So this is the bigger picture I see, right, on credit collection. So this is Travis credit range grid, Travis credit range grid, that I am explaining you where your credit is going to be. Alright, so this is useful. Just use this and see where your credit position is. I have seen lot of webinars during this shutdown, but no one explains like this. People can talk, but very few can give you a solution, right? So I'm glad I'm one of them. Okay, I will now show you another grid, another graph that you have to keep it in your mind with regards to your workforce. This is Travis analysis of workforce. Okay, now this is very critical. So let me erase this for you, right? And I'll quickly go through how your workforce is going to be. Okay, how your workforce is going to be. This is, you have to keep it in your mind. Your workforce is important, right? Please don't lay them off. Pay something and keep them. Targets are difficult to achieve, but your workforce is the key. Alright, so I'll use the long board. So this is a graph where your workforce is going to be, right? Now they are in depress mode, right? Now they are in depress mode. So that's one. Then you have to make them stable, and then you have to develop their trust, right? On this axis you have now, soon after the pandemic, 1 month, and then after 2 months, what will be the situation, right? So this way, right? Now this curve will goes like this, right? Now they are in depressed mode, right? Your employees are depressed, demotivated, right? So you need to lift this curve here. Okay. Now the curve is this, or it might be going down. They are not stable. Okay. So as employee, as owners, as business leaders, you need to lift this curve here. Lift it. So what are you going to do? Right? You have, when they report to work, provide as much as you can. Gloves, masks, give them an insurance, right? Give them medicine, pay them, that is very vital, right? Counsel them, you need to counsel them, right? Train them to cope up of coming back, right? And regain trust, because they are now shut down mode, work from home, their moods have shifted, so you need to train them, reignite them, regain trust, counsel them, pay them, give them medicine, give them insurance, give them gloves, masks, sanitizers, whatever you can to lift them up to this level, right? So no layoffs, no layoffs. Don't ask them to go home, right? Help them to get up. Help them to get up. Once they cross this period after the pandemic or during the pandemic, you can even also use this, they will come to a position where their trust will be stable, right? Motivate them, right? Win people, serve them very well and pay them, and then they will cross this period very quickly, right? So within a month they will regain their trust, and then they will move up, right? So reward them. reward them. Right, so that's the third. This is how your employees will cross. So this is the third grade. Okay, Travis, analysis of the workforce. There'll be another one. There'll be a fourth one, which is a bit longer than I thought, right? And I need your total concentration on this. This is a bit long, but I'll explain it to you very short. This is called Travis Brand Development Grid. So let me erase this and you can take a very close look. You can stop this and you can take notes of it, or just give me a call. I will explain this to you, right? So let me erase this and get to the detailed one that I have drafted for you with regards to your brand position. Right? I explained once where your brand will be, right, on the basis of market share and market credit, but this is very detailed one. I will explain to you, right? Okay. This is one end and this is the other end, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, on this side you have low, medium, right, and high. Okay, and this you have ATL, BTL. Organizations have done ATL, BTL so far. ATL only, BTL only, right? Outdoor only, right? Word of mouth only. There are organizations that depends on word of mouth, right? And then you have top of the mind, recall only. People don't spend, but they try to go on TOM strategy, right? Okay. Right. Let's see what happens. People with, okay, let me explain. This is brand active status. High, medium, low, right? And this is how you have maintained the brand health. Okay, so I'll take you very slow. I'll use another color to explain. Okay, let's see. Brand active state is extremely low. Brand active stays extremely low, but you've been keeping ATL 10%, right? BTL like 50%. So your awareness is very low, but your activation is little high, right? Make a very quick call on this brand. Make a very quick call, right? Because you will have a problem because you have only maintained ATL 10%. Activation wise you are okay, but now it's going out from their head. ATL, BTL level, brand activation on a medium scale. So you have kept ATL at say 25% and BTL at 50%, right? I want you to increase BTL to 100% once the lockdown is over. Otherwise you'll face a situation where your brand is being forgotten. Brand active state is very high, right? That is ATL at 50%, BTL at 50%. So you are maintaining, right? Right? If this is the case, you don't need to continue. You can keep this money and invest on another area of brand development. Invest that money on another area of brand development because your activation is high and you have basically kept a very high presence in the mind. Right? So please put this money to somewhere else and grow the brand so that you can secure it. Right, ATL only. So your ATL at 30%. Brand activation at low level, ATL at 30%, right? Move this to 60% quickly, otherwise brand will die. Here, medium, ATL, your ATL present is at 60%, right? What happens? I want you to stop this and switch to BTL 100%, right? Because activation needs to go on now, otherwise your brand will die, right? Here, ATL on full swing 80%, right? I want you to balance it off. Bring it to 40%, and below the line activations need to increase to 60%. So I have explained to BTL only people, right? Here BTL at 30%, right? You need a consumer connect plan. You need a consumer connect plan after the lockdown, after the pandemic is over. You need a quick consumer connect plan, otherwise your brand will die. Here, your BTL level, right? Your BTL level is at 60%. I want you to increase it to 100% visible. Here, high level, right? You have BTL at 80%. I want you to increase this to 100% BTL. Okay, otherwise your brand will die. Outdoor only. People have focused not BTL but outdoor, sampling and selling the brand. Okay. Brand activation, activity level at low level, right? You've been maintaining this at 30%. Okay, so I can have my money and all that, right? Your brand in trouble. After the pandemic, your brand is definitely in trouble. So you need to strategize to get your brand back again, right? Medium level of outdoor, right? You would have maintaining it around say 60%, right? I want you to increase outdoor activities to 100%. Here, your outdoor activities is 100%, right? There you need a correct BTL strategy. You need to switch here. You need a correct, precise BTL strategy, otherwise you're all over the place. Right? Word of mouth. People who are surviving only word of mouth. You might be thinking you're low activity, but your word of mouth is 100%. Right? Consumer will have a question. Consumer will have a problem. Where's the brand before the pandemic, during the pandemic, right? So consumer will have a problem. Word of mouth at 60%. Word of mouth at 60%, right? Then what happens? Capture each village and activate a BTL plan 100%. So you need to switch this cage, or you need to switch onto this, right? Then brand activity level is high and you don't do anything. Word of mouth is at, basically you don't have to do anything, it's 0, right? Now you need to balance ATL, bring ATL 50 and BTL 50. This is a strategy that you have to balance it off, right? Finally, top of the mind, brand recall, right? You might be thinking, okay, it's at 60%. After the pandemic, you need to maintain this. This is very important. Maintenance, right? Top of the mind recall is at 80%, right? You need to activate ATL and BTL strategy on a balance mode of 50-50. Top of the mind at 100%, right? I want you to focus on ATL strategy, right, at 60%. Okay? Right. Now, this category might face issues. Might. highly unlikely that they will face issues, but might face little issues, right? This category, if you don't do this, this will die slowly. This category, if you don't do this, right, it will have a natural death. Okay? This is basically luck, or these are discounted brands. Okay, so that's my part of work. Brand development, correct now. You need to active now. I don't see brands activated. I don't see that, right? I don't see that brands getting activated. So you need to active right now, right? You need to activate. Help people somehow. Don't just have a business objective when you're doing CSRs. Have a brand objective. Let your consumer visualize the brand. Don't let them forget. Just because of a pandemic, don't let the brand die in their mind, right? You need to connect the brand to emotions of consumers. You need to do that very quickly, right? Do not put celebrities to advertisements right now. They don't trust celebrities. Because once the pandemic is over, celebrities and us will have equal position, because without makeup you can't recognize who they are. So don't put celebrities right now to your ad. You are in a disaster, right? After the pandemic, activate the brand as soon as you can. Develop, right? Develop a situation for your brand and quickly activate it. Let the brand talk for you, right? Do not use celebrities after the pandemic, right? Use humans and actions to consumers, right? And call to actions. So that's it. Travis Brandsology Part 2 live video from Hashan Travis Sabutantri. I will come back again with a very vital finding, and you might be shocked by seeing those. And I'm very fortunate to go through this with you. And let's meet again. Stay home, stay safe. I'm Hashan Travis Sabutantri signing off.